Hey guys, this is what the Honda Super Cub sounds like before you put a pipe on it. There's the stock pipe. It's pretty quiet. Chokes the bike down a good bit. We're going to put the Yoshimura on it and then compare it. See how we like it when we ride. Hey guys, to get it off, all I had to do was essentially remove the foot pedals, just drop those 4 bolts, and then when I put it back together, I'll put it back together with anti-seize, especially anti-seize these bad boys, because they will be seized on your engine the next time you need a piston or something. And look at this size difference in the stock versus the Yoshimura header pipe size. So there's the stock right there. Got a little catalytic converter. There is the Yoshimura. It's like a solid almost twice the diameter. So anyhow, I think this is going to be a huge upgrade. Hey guys, here it is after it's been installed.